Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 40 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open on my screen. Just make sure that in your case the content that you want to screenshot is visible. Once you have your content prepared, simply press and hold the power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have this pop up with edit, share, Google Lens and delete options, and it does disappear after a moment if you don't do anything with it. So once it disappears, you can find the captured screenshot in your Photos application. And it's visible, I believe that's this one. 408, nope, that's not this one. Looks like we have a different time. Let's see. There we go. So I think this is the one. Yep. So this is the screenshot that I have just captured. So that's one way of locating your screenshot. There's also another way you could do it later on. Once you see your albums at the bottom, I believe, you can just click on them and you will have an album called Screenshots. Additionally, as you can see when it shows up right here, it does label it as screenshots, so you can tap on the text and this will take you to the album itself, where obviously you will see strictly screenshots. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.